PEB Steel is a world leader in pre-engineered buildings. With the completion of its new state-of-the-art factory complex in Dongxuan Industrial Park in Vung Tau City, PEB Steel delivers unrivaled quality, efficiency, and value to its customers throughout Vietnam, across Asia, and around the world. All 4 factories came online in 2012 to create what is today one of the largest and most sophisticated pre-engineered steel building production facilities in the world. PEB Steel's entire fabrication process is done right here, from cutting to pre-assembly to welding, blasting, and painting. And it's done on a scale unrivaled in the industry. 3 shear machines, 2 CNC gas cutters, 2 CNC drills, 4 auto welding lines, over 100 semi-automatic welding machines, and 6 automated loading platforms, as well as many roll-forming profiles that distinguishes PEB from its competitors. PEB profiles for roofs, walls, decks, purlins, and trim are all unique in the industry. This large-scale integration of the latest fabrication technology, combined with the hard work of 460 skilled workers, creates over 60,000 metric tons of steel building materials for use here in Vietnam and for export around Asia and to the whole world. And to demonstrate just how efficient PEB Steel's factories are, that impressive output volume of up to 60,000 metric tons a year is all done on just a single work shift per day. That emphasis on efficiency is critical to PEB Steel's success in serving its clients. All PEB Steel products are designed and fabricated as per the latest international building and design codes, including IBC, AISC, AWS, MBMA, and AISI. And by rigorously employing these codes, PEB Steel is able to optimize its production process to create higher quality, longer lasting, and safer buildings than anyone else in the industry. Let's also not forget about cost. In the steel business, where weight equals money, the use of industry-standard sophisticated designs and detailing software like SAP, Loseki, CFS, Tekla, AutoCAD also drives PEB Steel to optimize the weight of its buildings. But it takes more than just steel to construct a building. Each of PEB Steel's 3,200 buildings in Asia and around the world is tailored to suit the unique needs of the client. From the initial consultation all the way to erection, PEB Steel provides a total solution for pre-engineered buildings. Here in Vietnam, the process begins in the company's offices in Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, or Da Nang, where over 100 experienced engineers are on staff to custom design each project to the client's specifications. For clients throughout Asia, PEB Steel's offices in Thailand, the Philippines, Indonesia, Myanmar, and Cambodia, among others, are all equally well equipped to handle each customer's specific requirements. The initial consultation with proposal drawings and comprehensive quotation are all complimentary, free of charge. Upon approval by the client, the designs are then sent to the factories in Vung Tau, where only the highest quality raw materials from some of the world's leading steel mills in Japan and Korea are used to build the component parts before being shipped to the project site for erection. Since 1994, PEB Steel is proud to have built hundreds of pre-engineered buildings for many of the world's leading brands operating right here in Vietnam. In Binh Dong Province, PEB Steel designed, fabricated, and erected a 71,000 square meter distribution facility for the consumer goods manufacturer Unilever. In Vietnam's Central Highlands, PEB Steel built Asia's largest instant coffee factory complex for India's Nhong Coffee Company, made up of 19 buildings comprised of an impressive 2,700 metric tons of steel. In Haiphong Province, General Electric called on PEB Steel to build a 2,300 metric ton wind turbine generator plant that today builds components for its green power products that are shipped around the world. In Ho Chi Minh City, PEB Steel built a sewage treatment facility for Vietnam Waste Solutions with a huge 90-meter clear span, one of the widest constructions of this kind anywhere in the world. In Quang Dai Province, PEB was the steel structure contractor for Doosan Heavy Industries' vast machinery fabrication complex, built with an impressive 11,000 metric tons of steel. And in Tai Ninh Province, PEB Steel highlighted its capacity to integrate the latest environmental green building designs in a vast 220,000 square meter complex that produces Nike shoes for Korea's Taekwon Vina. These are just some of the examples of the thousands of pre-engineered buildings constructed by PEB Steel in the Middle East, Asia, and around the world. Similarly, across Asia, from its factories in India and Bangladesh, PEB Steel is the market leader in pre-engineered building construction with thousands of successful projects throughout Indochina, Southeast Asia, and across the subcontinent. Simply put, PEB Steel makes the tallest, widest, and strongest pre-engineered buildings in Asia. PEB. Perfection, excellence, and the best customer service in the industry.